What is a VPN kill switch?
A VPN kill switch is a security feature in many virtual private network or VPN applications. Its job is to monitor your internet connection and instantly block all network traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. This prevents your real IP address and data from being exposed, even for a brief moment, helping to keep your online activity private and secure.
Why is a kill switch important?
If your VPN drops suddenly, your device might reconnect to the internet without any protection. This could reveal your identity, expose sensitive data, or put you at risk of surveillance. A kill switch stops this by cutting off your connection until the VPN is restored, providing an essential extra layer of privacy, especially on public Wi-Fi networks or when handling confidential information.
How does a kill switch work?
A kill switch continuously checks your VPN status in the background. If it detects that the secure connection has been interrupted, it blocks all outgoing and incoming internet traffic immediately. Once the VPN connection is re-established, the kill switch automatically restores your internet access. This process happens very quickly and typically doesn't require any action from you.
Enabling the kill switch feature.
Most major VPN apps offer a kill switch option in their settings. To enable it, open your VPN app and look for security or connection features. Turn on the kill switch, sometimes labeled network lock or secure disconnect. It's typically a simple toggle. Make sure to save your settings so the feature is active every time you connect to the VPN.
Tips for using a VPN kill switch.
Check regularly that your kill switch is working by testing it. Disconnect your VPN and see if you lose access to the internet. Use this feature on both computers and mobile devices for full coverage. Remember, while a kill switch increases your security, always combine it with strong passwords and safe browsing habits for maximum online protection.